I always had a fascination to learn a new foreign language. Languages serve as a connectional tool by bringing people of different races and cultures together, in addition to serving as a tool for communication. I hope many of you have similar opinions to mine. Recent studies shows that being bilingual can make one smarter. But do you know that learning a foreign language can help shape your career? Join with me today on this video to find more on the topic, how learning French as a foreign language can help shape your career. This is Dinesh from linguascholars.com. Without any further delays, let's get started. To shed more light on this topic, let me welcome Professor Lionel to our channel. Professor Lionel is a French language teacher and a writer who is currently working for a leading French university in Paris. In his teaching career, he helps students realize their aspirations and make them come true. The information which he is going to share with us today is not only valuable, but also can be life-changing. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to our channel, Professor Lionel.
Thanks, Dinesh, for inviting me into this team. I feel privileged to be part of this team. Before answering to the question, let me give you some important facts why learning a foreign language can be a very wise decision for shaping your career. Thanks to the globalization and free market, now corporates are able to venture their presence into new geographical areas which were considered impossible before. This creates more employment opportunities and also bring more economic infrastructure development to developing countries. The second reason is that corporates expect their employees to possess a good level of technical and interpersonal skill. Hence, adding a foreign language skill along with your personal skill will certainly increase the chance of getting hired. For example, if you want to work to a French company, having a French language skill on your CV will make you stand alone from the competition and also increase the chance of getting hired.
Thanks for your intro, Professor Lionel. I want to ask you on behalf of our students, especially from India and subcontinent, how learning French language can help shape one's career.
According to a recent study, being bilingual makes you smarter. It can have a profound effect on your brain, improving cognitive skill and even shielding against dementia in old age. The second, the data suggests that French language just might be the language of the future. French will be spoken on all the continents, but it will be most prevalent in Africa, which is expected to be a rapidly developing economic powerhouse by the years 2050. The third is that French is the second most language useful for business beyond English.
Mr. Lionel, could you tell us about the opportunities for foreign students who would like to pursue their higher education in France?
The fourth, speaking French makes it possible to pursue a degree at the prestigious French universities. There are more than 3,500 public and private institutes of higher education. French higher education involves 2.5 million students, out of which 12% are from abroad.
It is said that there is a huge demand for skilled workers in France. Could you please shed more light on this topic?
A US-based recruitment firm revealed that French could lack 1.5 million highly skilled workers by 2030. The deficit will create a nearly 175 million euros in unrealized revenue with financial service, technology, media, telecommunications, as well as the industry sector being affected by this shortage. French companies are struggling to find staff members that fully meet their needs. This study showed that with the good education, backed with French language skill, give one more chance to be recruited by this company.
Thanks, Mr. Lionel, for sharing your thoughts on the topic. I hope the infos provided by Mr. Lionel could be useful and also be motivating for you to learn French language. For more information to learn French from the native speakers, visit our website www.linguascholars.com. Next video, we are going to see how learning French could be useful for the foreign students who would like to pursue their higher education in France. Thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to subscribe the channel and hit the like button if you like the video. See you in the next video.